Hey guys, what is going on? It is Epic Bro, and you don't really have to tell me what's going on, but yeah, what's going on? And you know what I mean. So yeah, Angry Birds Epic Part 2. Na na na. I just made Angry Birds Part 1 like 2 minutes ago. So you know, people tell me like to do it like once a day. But I just like to do it as much as I can and like plan out what I'm gonna say in the video. I think it's kind of obvious I planned this out. Say, I mean like most of the time I just do what happens. You know, like something unexpected happens, so then I just go with it. You know. Now let's fight these guys and retrieve. Oh wait, hold on a second. Is that the daily reward? Wait, daily reward. 25. Nice. Anyways, but yeah. So what do you say we're gonna fight this guy? Okay. So our team power is 18. Wait a minute. 2 people don't make a team. Everybody knows that. So why is it a team? Whatever. Team power, duo power. You know what I mean. Team power is 18. Pig's power is 14, so we should be able to get this. We have 8 more power than the pig. Sometimes I might have to go back on some levels, and you know what? I don't mind about that. Let's see. Prince Porky. Vicious Backstab. Deals 3 times 8 damage. 3 times 8 is 24. Okay. Passive. Dodge. Can't take more than 27 per attack. Can't take more than 27 damage? So if it's more than 27 damage, then he dodges it. Okay. So you know what that means? Dodged. Take this. Yes, 21. Yeah. Take that. Yeah. Ha! 27 damage. Yeah. He's almost dead. Dodged. Yeah! You can't hit this guy. You can't hit this bird. You can't hit this bird. You can't hit this. You can't hit this. You can't hit this bird. You can't hit this bird. You can't hit this. You can't hit this. You can't hit this bird. Yes, that'd be a good song. I should do that song when I grow up. You know, guys, I just thought about something. I haven't made a video that's like not about playing or doesn't have to do anything with the computer in a while. Yeah. Haha, I'm getting that anvil back. They have 11 power. We can do this. We can get that anvil back. Get that anvil back. Get that anvil back. That anvil, get that anvil, get that anvil back. Get that anvil, get that anvil, get that anvil back. Skip ad. The anvil! You guys see it? Because I know I clearly see it. Bam. No attacking me, sir. I won't be the best choice. Bam. Ha. Ha. Ready, guys? Hiya! Bam! Yeah! Bang! Woo! Yes! Yes! And I got the anvil too. Yes, we got the anvil! Whatever it does. Is it really a good thing we got the anvil? Look at all this stuff around here. Oh, right. Now let's do this. How much time we got left? We got 7. 3 stars! 1, 2, 3, plus 9 damage! Oh yeah! Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-uh. 3 stars again! 4 rock. Now, 5. Can I make more? That's not even what I meant. No, it's not what I meant to happen. Oh, never mind. It actually got more. Okay, now that we got a bit stronger weapon, now I think we actually got a chance to beat this level, even though we haven't even tried to yet. I'm pretty sure we should have more than 18 power, and they won't even have more than 18 power. I'm just gonna see something. Like, sometimes if you see something shiny, then he'll be able to use it or something. Whatever. 19 versus 15. We're against a huge pig, guys. Huge pig. Beyond what we've ever seen. Now, let's get it. Ah. Oh shoot, he's after red. Then I better guard myself. Haha. He hurt himself. I can do this, guys. We can do this. Sorry, I think I said I first. Did I say I first? Sorry. Right then. Oh man, that's gotta hurt. Okay, you wanna go? Ah! Yeah. That's right. Darn it, 2 stars.